Okay, I've taken that back off now, and evidently I can't talk and pay attention at the same time. But what I need to do is put this thing with a bearing on it that goes along on the side of the side of each of the drive push shafts. So I have to figure out where the spacing is. That's what these are for, if I remember right. And it goes with that one. And let me try a different one. That one fits better. They have to be adjusted so they fit correctly. Actually, they all need to be readjusted once I get them on there. And but it'll be tighter. Yeah, I thought. Correct. Now then, make sure. Nothing's binding up. That's good. I have the proper clearances. Now this one goes on. Number 3, 4, where's 1? 1's here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that's number 4. Yep. Yep, got that on right. Okay. Get my little sequence under here. Spacers. I'm happy when everything fits. This is actually the first time that it's been put together, and it looks like I'm doing good. Other than making my own mistakes about which part goes where. But once I get that all lined up, it should have a little bit higher. Maybe I should use a regular size on those two. A little thicker shim. I'm thinking. Full size. Yeah, that's better. The right size spacer for the right size thing. Okay, the first thing I better do is make sure I tighten those back up. There. Then okay, that's the completion, I guess, of the upper part of the engine, putting it together. Oh, not quite. I still have to adjust the bearing so that it's riding on the push shaft. And then I'll have it done. I've tried to make this design so that everything can be accessed easily or fairly easily. And if need be, it can be worked on. If I can get my thing in that hole. Come on, get in there. My goodness. How can you be so awkward? I'll loosen you up. Maybe I can turn you then and get in it. There. Okay, that one. Number two. Number three. Number four. Coming up here in a minute. It's 83 degrees in here. I can't run the air conditioner because then you can't hear me when I'm talking. So as soon as I finish this, I'm going to quit for now. There we go. All of them are adjusted properly. So that's going to complete my video for today. Tomorrow I will start working on putting the valves on the other side. They go underneath. Take this plate off and the valves go on the drive shaft, or the cams rather, I should say, not valves. The cams will go on the drive shaft and then be put up where they belong. And was that a little bit too far? Yeah, I think one of them is. I think that one set screw's in there a little bit too. Oh, there it went. So figure out where they go and position them on the thing properly and start working on that end of it. And then the next video, let's see, well, this video will be putting the valves and the valves rotors on and trying to, and not really tying it because you can't do that yet until it's completely done. But then the next video, probably in a couple of days or maybe later, I'm going to have to arrange the air inlet lines and figure out how to hook all that stuff up. I've got the design made, but making the tubing to fit those things, that might end up being a little bit tedious because they have to go in like this. I don't know if you can see that very well or not, but they mount down in here like so. And then I have to have an air line. Oh, let's see, I'm going to put I can't put the inlet on next, so we're going to have to do it that way. This is the air in, comes out, comes into these two. One goes up here to the cylinder. This one here has to come back around and attach to the exhaust valve. So that's what I'll work on tomorrow or the next day. At least it'll be for the next video. So till then, thank you for checking in. And if you are interested in what I'm doing, please subscribe and check the notification bell, and you'll be notified then each time when I have a new video. So thanks again for watching, and see you during the next video.